Hi there. Very good afternoon to all of you. How are you all today? Hope you all are fit and fine and all right by the grace of Almighty. Yeah, I'm also all right by the grace of Almighty Creator. So now I'm just walking and I'm enjoying this beautiful moment. Are you enjoying like me? I think you can enjoy or not, right? But I definitely enjoy every Friday going in different places for making some outstanding videos. I know making videos, I can know many things, and without making videos, I can't know anything, right? Can you know? Can you know anything without making videos? You must say that no, we can't know something without making videos. And making videos, you can be fluent one, right? You can be confident one, right? Yeah, say. So it's really tremendous way for being a fluent master speaker. And those who are watching this video, before going in my topic, I love to share that welcome to all of you. And those who are watching this video, just watch this video until the end for knowing something out and out, right? And one thing I always say in my video that nothing will come to you very easily, but to get something you have to work hard, right? And working hard, when you get something good, you'll be pleased. And you must say, oh, I've got this thing and I tried a lot, right? And I've worked a lot. That's why this thing, has come to me, or these things have come to me. This is logic, but and that will be really interesting one and very sweet. What you will get working hard when finally you will get that thing, you'll be pleased. But if you get something simply, I think as a man, as a boy, as a teacher, or as a girl, as a woman, you won't love it. I don't love it. When I get something very simply or easily, I think that, oh, this thing has come to me very easily. I didn't work hard, right? And I didn't try to get these things. Only these things has come to me. So another thing will come, and this thing will come next day, maybe. We just think that. But when we try from our heart and soul to achieve something, and finally when we achieve, so we are just at that time we just go over the moon. I mean, we can say that I'm over the moon, right? Or we are floating over the moon, or I'm floating over the moon, right? I'm floating over the moon, we just say. So this is really true. Is it true, or is this true? Just you can ask me. So if you ask me that is this true, I must say yeah, this is true, and speak in English practically, okay? And I said in my all videos, what you are doing, you are just going to school, just make some videos in English. You are just working here and there, just make some videos in English. You are talking with your friends, just make some videos in English. You are just you know reading, you are just working, or are you riding any kind of transports or any auto or motorbike, are you driving, just make some videos at the time of driving, okay? So to make some videos, which is really important and which is really primary thing, that is you should know some basic things. And knowing some basic things, you can make a single video. And you are making videos, it's good, but learn every single day. You're learning, you're making videos. If you keep these two things together, one day those things will give you to get a good feeling, right? To get a good feelings, and your feelings will be super fantastic if you do this thing regularly and continuously, right? So you are working, oh, it's really good, just make some videos, no problem. Who are watching, who are noticing, and who are talking, you shouldn't care. you shouldn't care to any single one, anybody. Just they will notice you. Oh, look at that boy. That boy is just making video. That boy is speaking in English, and they will come to you. But you won't go very closer to those guys. They will come to you, and if you think this very idea, or if you think this very you know this very statement what I've shared in my video, I think your speaking will be really gorgeous, right? And you'll be able to go forward very quickly. Just go, and keep you in my prayer, always, for all of you. Best of luck.